Hey, hope you're well. Look, I'm jumping on here quick to tell you about a product that's really changed my life. Snore Remover from SnoreDoc is helping me and thousands of others who struggle to sleep at night by using their technology to help you stop snoring. This has really helped me keep my motivation levels up. I wake up now and I'm excited, ready to go. When before I was a bit sluggish, this has really changed the game, and trust me, it's not just good for you, for your partners, your kids, anyone in the street who can hear you snore. This is a real game changer. So don't miss out. Head over to snoredoc.co.uk for 35% off this product at this time. So head over there quick and grab yourself some good night's sleep.